Hi, my name is John Moore, and it's my distinct pleasure to welcome you this evening to the Association of Fundraising Professionals' 10th annual observation of National Philanthropy Day. Roughly 50 years ago, my brothers and I bounded out of the back of our parents' station wagon as we arrived in Vero Beach. 25 years later, Lee and I brought our son Jack home to Vero. Over the years, we've seen a remarkable transformation in our community. We've grown from a sleepy little town into the sophisticated place that we know and love today. Working together, we have melded into a community that cares and that works very hard to make sure that we address all of the different needs and aspects of cultural life here in our community. Those efforts have brought us together to create a tapestry of services, whether it be in the arts or care for animals or human and social services. We have a remarkable story to tell you tonight. It's the story of that transformation. And rather than recognize individual award winners, we're going to take a slightly different approach. We're going to show you the story of 12 different agencies and their efforts to transform the landscape of Vero Beach and Indian River County into the wonderful, warm, caring, and loving place that it is today.
About 16 years ago, some local visionaries had an idea to help an underserved population in Indian River County, the children. That's when the idea for the Boys and Girls Club began. Since our inception in 2000, we have grown from a single classroom at the former Thompson Elementary School to 3 standalone clubs in Vero Beach, Sebastian, and Fellsmere. Every year we serve 1,500 children ages 6 through 18 through our after-school and summer programs, and currently we're expanding our Vero Beach Club. None of this would be possible without the help of our many friends. Over the years we have received many gifts, some small, some big, but every gift of time, treasure, and talent has made a huge difference in the lives of our children, especially those who need us most. We honor and celebrate all of our donors, but in particular we thank Bill and Marlene Scully and Mrs. Ginny Powers for their extraordinary and transformational gifts. Their investment and your investment in our community means that more children can overcome adversity, believe in themselves, and achieve their dreams.
The Alzheimer and Parkinson Association of Indian River County serves local residents who are living with neurodegenerative disorders that affect their memory and their movement. Our support and education programs are entirely delivered through collaborative relationships and private giving from this community for this community. In 2009, John and Joy Stagels gave a transformational gift, which paired with grant funding from Johns Island Foundation, allowed us to open our center. And since then, private giving has expanded our program capacity. Last year, we were able to accommodate 11,000 boots through the door. And collaborative relationships are key to our program development. We currently partner with 8 different organizations to provide support groups, Project Lifesaver, which is a search and rescue program, and a range of exercise programs. Therapeutic exercise, aquatic exercise. I've always felt that the philanthropic landscape of this community is extraordinary. And I think our programs are a model of what can be accomplished when there is a culture of caring and giving. And I'm very proud to be part of this community.
Over the past 30 years, the museum has flourished, due in large part to the philanthropic efforts of so many people in this community. Thanks in large part to people like the Beckwith family, the McMillans, the Bucks, a number of people. I can go on forever. We have grown from a small art center to a major regional institution. We have grown both physically and programmatically over the years so that we are now poised to be able to present our services to this community for generations to come, to tens of thousands of children and adults. Without philanthropic generosity of the Vero Beach community, our physical plant would be 1/4 of the size that it is today. We would not have a state-of-the-art facility that affords us the opportunity to bring some of the best quality art from around the world for people to enjoy in our exhibition program. We also wouldn't be able to present the plethora of public programs that we do for children and adults. Our International Lecture Series, for example, or the Film Studies series, the art classes that we offer. And most recently, an Art for Health's Sake program that is affecting people with Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease, as well as drug-addicted teens in our community. The Vero Beach Museum of Art exists to bring the finest of visual arts and humanities program to this community. Without private philanthropy, we could not fulfill our mission.
Philanthropy has had an amazing impact on Harvest Food and Outreach Center here in Vero Beach. Probably one of the most significant gifts that was provided to Harvest was the 2010 Impact 100 grant that allowed us to complete the construction of our cost share grocery program. That gift allowed Harvest to grow from a small subsidized food program serving 75 people a day to the 500 people a day that we serve now. It provides the opportunity for families to buy groceries at a 60 to 70% cost savings. Over the past 5 years since our cost share grocery opened, families have saved over $9.5 million. And that truly is an amazing return on that initial philanthropic gift. We could not serve the people we serve without the philanthropic contributions. We're so grateful for the support this community provides. Thank you.